Noun. Name of any person, thing, place, or animal is called a noun. Or we can say a noun is a part of speech that is used to name a person, place, thing, quality, or action. Nouns can be in singular or plural. Nouns can be categorized as either common or proper. Common nouns name general people, places, things, and ideas, while proper nouns name specific people, places, things, and ideas. Common nouns and proper nouns. Mountain is a common noun. Himalaya is a proper noun. Country is a common noun. India is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun. Mohan is a proper noun. Woman is a common noun. Lata is a proper noun. River is a common noun. Godavari is a proper noun. Read the following words and put them in proper columns. The words in the following table are together known as noun in English: camel, jackal, habit, happiness, water, village, grandpa, friends, farm, farmer, field, helpers, time, Radhika, stick, trick, treat, sugarcane, bear, snake, lion, cat, police, actor, cow, goat, temple, city, mountain, hill station, tree, rice, ice, air, tree, mind, sadness, people, grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, police, actor, animals, camel, jackal, bear, snake, lion, cat, cow, goat. Places: village, farm, field, temple, city, sea, mountain, hill station. Think we can feel: water, stick, sugarcane, tree, rice, ice, air, tea. Think we can't touch: time, trick, treat, habits, happiness, air, mind, sadness.